Hello, friends! How are you today? Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered what's beyond the clouds? We see the bright sun during the day and twinkling stars at night, but there's so much more waiting to be discovered. Today, we're going on an exciting journey from Earth all the way to outer space to find out. So buckle up and get ready to blast off into the wonders of the universe. As we rise about 1 kilometer into the sky, we enter the world of clouds. These fluffy white and gray shapes float gently above the land, sometimes bringing rain, snow, or even powerful thunderstorms. Looking down, we can still see our homes and streets, but they start to look smaller and smaller. Some airplanes begin their journey at this height, gliding smoothly through the clouds. It feels like we are floating in a soft, cotton-like world, but we have much farther to go. At 10 kilometers, we are now flying as high as a commercial airplane. This is the altitude where most jets cruise when taking passengers across the world. If you've ever been on an airplane and looked out the window, you might have seen fluffy clouds below and the sky turning a darker shade of blue above. The view from up here is breathtaking, but we are still within Earth's atmosphere. Now, let's continue our journey beyond the reach of airplanes. As we climb 50 kilometers above Earth's surface, we enter the stratosphere, the second layer of our planet's atmosphere. The air here is too thin to breathe, and it gets colder the higher we go. This is where weather balloons float, gathering important information about Earth's climate. Some powerful jets can also fly this high, but this is where the sky truly starts to change. The blue color fades, and the sky turns darker as we get closer to the edge of space. At 100 kilometers, we officially cross the boundary between Earth and space, known as the Kármán line. This is where astronauts begin their space missions. The sky is no longer blue. Instead, it is pitch black, filled with tiny twinkling stars. Earth looks like a beautiful blue marble below us, with white clouds swirling over the land and oceans. Gravity becomes weaker here, and if we were inside a spacecraft, we would start floating weightlessly. But we are not stopping yet. We have more to explore. At 400 kilometers, we enter Earth's orbit, where the International Space Station is located. This massive space station is home to astronauts who live and work in space for months at a time. They conduct experiments, observe Earth, and prepare for future space missions. This is also the region where satellites orbit, helping us with GPS navigation, weather forecasts, and communication. From here, Earth looks stunning, glowing with blue oceans, green land, and swirling white clouds. As we move beyond 400 kilometers, we enter deep outer space. It's freezing cold, and there's no air to breathe. The sky is filled with billions of twinkling stars and distant planets. These tiny dots seem small, but that's only because they're incredibly far away. The more we move towards them, the bigger and more magnificent they become. The universe is full of wonders, giant planets, swirling galaxies, and endless mysteries waiting to be explored. I hope you loved our journey from Earth to the clouds and then beyond into the starry sky. Let's meet again in another adventure.
Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and ring the bell icon to stay with us for more fun and learning adventures.